What's up, everyone? Today, I'm going to show you how to play the song Happy Birthday, and we're going to go through a lot of chords today. This is your first lesson where you're going to learn chords and really get a feel for how they work on the guitar. We're going to start with the most basic ones, but ones that also you'll find in the majority of songs out there. And we're starting in the key of C, which means we're going to go through what's called the C chord family. I'm going to talk a bit about that as well. So first, I'm going to just play the song for you at normal tempo. So there's Happy Birthday. And now I'm just going to break down these chords for you. Like I said, they're in the key of C. And when I said the C chord family, all that means is that all of the chords that are on that tab, which you'll find in your manual called the C chord family, they're in the same key, which means they're going to sound good together. You could actually take any of those chords like, right, you have C, then you have D minor, going through the list. We have E minor, we have F, and we have G. We have A minor, and we have G over B. The reason why I'm showing you this is because you could take any of these chords that I just played and you could put them in any order and they're gonna sound great. So you could literally just make up your own song using them. You could pick up, maybe 4 of them and put them in a certain order and then just kind of play around with it. All right, so with Happy Birthday, the first chord is C. Let's go ahead and break down the C chord here. First thing you're going to do is you're going to put your ring finger on the 5th string, 3rd fret, right there. Go ahead and find that note for me. 5th string, 3rd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to put it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your first finger and put it on the 1st fret, 2nd string. And just, refer back to what we talked about how to read a tab. It's the same thing here. You're just looking for the numbers on the sheet, and that's telling you what fret you're going to. If you also look at the numbers on the top, you have, you'll see C, G7, and F, and you have the tabs there for those chords. But underneath, you'll see little numbers there. So for C, right, we have 3, 2, and 1. You'll see them right below. And what that means is those are the fingers that you're actually going to use to play those chords. So if you have a 3 there, that means you're using your 3rd finger for that note. And notice the 3 is right below the 5th string on that little chord chart. And then for this finger, you see the 2. That means you're using your 2 finger. Then you see 1. That means you're using your 1 finger for that note there. So you have your 3rd finger, your 2nd finger, and your 1st finger in this chord. Okay, moving on, let's do G7. For G7, you're going to take your ring finger and put it here on the top string, 3rd fret. And then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to put it on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your first finger and you're going to put it on the 1st fret, bottom string. And that is G7. Go ahead and give it a strum. The next chord to know is F. And this is actually the last chord that you need to know. So for F, we're going to take our 3rd finger or our ring finger, and we're going to go to the 3rd fret, 4th string. So 3rd fret, 4th string right there. Go ahead and find that note. Now take your middle finger and put it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Find that note. Now we're gonna take our first finger and put it on the second string, first fret. Let's find that note. Okay. Great, now let's play the chord. That's F right there. Let's do a few strums. All right, great. Now let's play through all those chords. What I'm gonna do for an exercise with you is we're gonna just play each chord in order. C, G7, and F. And I'm gonna go really slow and play each chord 4 times. And that way you can refer back to this video and just practice to this. Okay, so starting on C, I'm gonna count us off. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna move to G7. Go ahead and find your fingering. All right, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Moving to F. Find your fingering. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's do that together again, starting on C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch to the next chord, G7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, lastly, I'm just gonna play through those chords a few times and without stopping. That way you can really try practicing along without interruption. Okay, starting on the C, ready, set, go. 4 strums each time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. You got those chords down. Keep working on them and work on the fingering and then the timing of the strumming. Just do simple down strums for now. And then the purpose of that really is just to get them down. That way you can easily play this song once you have those chords. So yeah, just have fun and keep working on the song. Now I'm gonna play and sing the song for you just so you can see and hear how the melody fits together with the chords. So feel free to play along with me. And then after you learn the lesson, try playing and singing the song on your own. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. There it is, happy birthday. All right, hope you had fun learning Happy Birthday. Now we're gonna dive into the 3 levels of mastery for the song. For the first level, play, I want you to practice the song 15 minutes a day for 1 week. After you are finished with that challenge, move on to level 2, which is explore. And for that one, I'd like for you to actually play the song at a friend's birthday party. And bonus points, if you have a friend who has a real birthday party coming up, I want you to surprise them by playing this song for them at the party. For level 3, which is advanced, there are 2 things I'd like for you to do. I'd like for you to learn all of the chords in the C chord family. There are 7 chords there. And I also want you to learn the chords in the beginner chord chart. After you achieve that and learn all of those chords, you're gonna be set to play pretty much any song out there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.